DJ Stink Nuggets. Drop that intro that makes all the girls go crazy, would you? What's up? If you're new to my channel, it's called Gears of Snore. And I make that content that's guaranteed to put your ass to sleep. We're out here enjoying the weather down here in beautiful Sandy Hook. What a nice day, huh? Almost November, mid to high 50s. And you're riding along the beach. What more could you ask for, huh? $1 million? Yeah. Yeah, that would be nice. I haven't been over here in so long. It's so nice to get down here. I love the ocean, the beach, just the atmosphere. I think that's why I hate where I've been at the past couple of years. It's just, man, over congestion, and it really gets to be a bit much. Larry, good sir, thank you so much for paying for lunch. You absolutely did not have to do that, and I got you next time, but thank you. We really appreciate that. That was friggin' awesome. I'm out with Laverne, Monica, Larry, Miss Larry, and Ray. Really is just nice. You know, this is the thing that, and I know a lot of people on the East Coast, Midwest, you know, West, in areas where it's not warm all year round. This is why you get seasonal depression, because you're not here, you're not doing this, you're just not enjoying the scenery. You're away from the thing that is just pure enjoyment. You sit back, you ride, you feel the wind, you're leaning the bike, you're involved in it. You're not just a cog in a machine, you know, like a car. And I think that's why a lot of us motorcyclists, like, seasonal depression is worse for us, because it's like, I just need my motorcycle, just a few minutes, give me something, please. And I don't foresee that being an issue this winter, but if we get one like the winter of this year, you know, January and February was very cold, it snowed just enough to not be able to afford you a bike ride, but not enough to actually do anything. But you know, the minute they lay down rock salt, you're screwed until you get a good rain to wash it away. What is this, man? I seen this smoking. Is this a 2-stroke Derby? That's a moped. Bro, is that a moped? How friggin' sick is that? What's that, Big Sheila?
If it ain't 1250cc of American badass, then it stays in the garage.
Well, not everybody can have 1250 cc's of awesomeness, can they? Moby's is right over there, and they're closed. I tell you, I go back to Moby's just for the clams. Yeah, to see these things, man. You got 6 for, it was like, I think 10 or 12 bucks, right? Huge raw shucks right in front of you. Best ones I ever had in my life. A lot of boats out today. It's just, I love it down here, man. I really do. And Laverne was telling me they don't charge motorcycles to get in, so that's another good thing. Man, that smell just brings good friends disappearing into your blind spot. And you know, friends, that brings me back to a topic I touched on once before. Getting fog lights into warm, loving homes and off the streets. And you two friends can help so that I can see Ray when he's in my blind spot. You guys watching my channel, if you have any extra money, you'd like to help get a fog light into a home on a motorcycle where it can light up the road and just be loved, please donate. Please help get Ray fog lights so I can see him in my blind spot. In the arms of an angel, fly away. Fly away, little birdie. Chirp, chirp, bah. Well, this is a first. How the hell do you get pulled over in front of the police station? Yeah, but a nice little video. Riding around the old Sandy Hook with the fellas and the ladies. Drop my videos 3 p.m.-ish Wednesday and Friday. And if you would be so kind to, you know, stop back, watch another video, like, give it a thumbs up, you know, leave a comment. That'd be awesome. Appreciate you guys as always. Hope to see you next time.